moms, media, and vlogger friends. I am Mary De Leon, and welcome to the Enderon College's Amphitheater for our Rainy Day Surprise event brought to you by Mega Prime Canned Vegetables. And for this rainy season, Mega Prime as our kitchen partner will let us discover how to turn into a savvy chef by teaching us new, easy-to-cook Mega Prime Souprise soup recipes. Tatawagin na po natin ngayon ang ating finalist of our Mega Prime Rainy Day Surprise Cook-Off Challenge.
I'm Des Brodagan, and I have a daughter. She's 8 years old and her name is Alexandria. I'm a stay-at-home mom and wife. And aside from that, I also occasionally get baking orders like cakes and pastries. Experience that I had with the contest was pure excitement. I was actually excited to show everybody na this is what I cook for my family. My message for Mega Prime is thank you for making helpful products available in the market. It will be a great help to other moms like me. Congratulations!
My name is Apple and I have 2 kids. I am 36 years old. I work as a care specialist and a designer. As a Prime mom, Mega Prime products help me a lot since easy open can siya, convenient, then I am using actually Mega Prime pa before since we love mushroom, corn, lahat. We love it. And we love healthy foods, of course. I'm particular with healthy products and healthy goods. I love cooking. My passion for cooking is really that high. So, exciting, sobra. For Mega Prime, thank you so much for introducing your products to us. Especially sa aming mga moms, always on the go, always looking after our kids, our family. Thank you so much, Mega Prime.
Hi, my name is April and I'm a mother of 2. I have a homeschooler. He's 13 years old and I have a 4-year-old girl. I work online. I'm a virtual assistant and also a web designer. So on the side, I also blog on my blog, which is Relax Lang Mom. Relax Lang Mom is, I made that actually for moms, like prime moms. Kasi when I was starting, being a mom is always a stress. And I would like to bring in the message that you can be a mom and not be so stressed about it. Pwede kang, halimbawa sa pagluluto, pwede kang magluto nung hindi mo kailangang simulan yung recipe halimbawa from scratch. I cook a lot. Actually, favorite kong magluto. Sa bahay, I love feeding people. Even when I was young, I cook a lot. Good luck to all of us. Being here is already a win for us, and let's just enjoy and good luck. My message for Mega Prime, thank you very much for giving us this chance. I really enjoyed the competition. This is actually my first competition. I really enjoyed the process from conceptualization up to cooking and up to today. It made me feel like I had something that I wanted to do. So thank you again and good luck to us.
My name is Tina Perez and I have 2 kids. Actually, they're teens na, one 16 and one 17 years old. I'm a freelance writer and I'm into blogging right now. My husband, nag-overtime siya, so kailangan ko maka-come up ng mga recipes na madali at saka mabilis lutuin. So the Mega Prime products, especially yung mushrooms, kasi favorite yun ng mga teens ko. Dahil easy to open can, mabilis siyang buksan, mabilis iluto kasi pre-cooked na siya. So I can invent recipes na madaling lutuin para saves us time. Yung contest na to, it was a fun experience for me kasi hindi nga ako masyadong nagluluto. Tapos, nagkaroon pa kami ng bonding time ng husband ko kasi ginaguide niya ako on how to cook. Para sa Mega Prime as a brand, just continue giving us mommies mga ingredients na madali naming maluluto at equally healthy for the kids.
Mega Global is the country's leading fishing company, engaged primarily in manufacturing and distribution and marketing of sardines.
Today, the rainy season is finally here, and it's the perfect opportunity for you to prepare warm and comforting dishes for your family.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Mega Prime Chef, Chef Nino Lugarta.
Hello.
Siyempre, of course, sasamahan tayo ng nako. Idol ko talaga to. Hindi lang dahil she's a good actress, but she is also truly a prime mom. Tawagin na po natin ang ating very beautiful Miss Marian Rivera Dantes. Siyempre, kapag nagluluto tayo, ako kasi maarte ako Talagang aminado ako. Gusto ko yung hinahanda ko pagkain para sa mga mahal ko sa buhay. Simple pero alam kong high quality. So, yun ang pinaka-importante sa akin. Of course, gagamitin natin ang secret ko na Mega Prime na mushroom. Pieces and stem ang gusto ko. Yung isa sa pinaka-favorite ko Mas magiging mas marami kang time para sa family mo. Kasi naman gumamit ka pa ng can or, diba? Open air na ang hirap. Eto, yun lang. Yun lang, bukas na. Pwede ko bang tikman, Chef?
Yeah, haluin mo lang ng konti tapos ito.
Okay ako dyan Iba talaga kapag ang ginamit mong ingredients, hindi mo tinipid. Ang simple ng ginawa niya, pero alam mo yung masarap.
Iba yung texture kasi niya. Very creamy siya. Mukhang restaurant quality pati yung presentation niya.
Isa sa mga dahilan na kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, higit lalo sa pamilya mo, lahat yan bibigyan mo ng time. Especially itong pagluluto. Kung makikita mo sa Instagram ko, ako ang nagluluto ng pagkain ng anak ko, ako nagluluto ng pagkain ng asawa ko. At malaki din ang naitutulong sa akin ng Mega Prime kasi ang dami kong pwedeng gawing twist with the help of chef pa na kapag meron kaming mga ginagawang shoot, nakakakuha ako ng idea na ginagawa ako sa bahay.
Ako, sabi nga yung mga dishes na ginagawa ko, hindi naman sa porque dahil chef lang ako. Pero again, kahit sa bahay ko ginagawa yan. Every exceptional dish, every good dish starts with good ingredients. So ako, para sa akin, good yung good quality yung yung lahat ng mga ginagamit namin sa Mega Prime. So yun yung ginagamit ko rin para sa mga personal na niluluto ko or even for work.
Sa Mega, what we do is we only give what's best for our consumers.
And the grand winner of Mega Prime Rainy Day Souprise Cook-Off Challenge is the winner, Mommy Des Rodhagen.
Congratulations to our grand winner! and welcome to the part of the program where we will know who will be held winners of our Mega Prime Mystery Box Challenge. And our winner is letter C, who got 22 points. Congratulations, letter C. And on behalf of Mega Global Corporation and Mega Prime, thank you very much and have a great day, everyone. Once again, I am Mary De Leon, and good afternoon to all of you.